Hey, what's going on guys? Coltrane from Agentic here. And in this video, I just wanted to show you some of the cool projects we've been working on during our last few months at Agentic, working with various clients, really trying to improve business outcomes across the board. So the first project that I wanted to show you was this. It's a Chloe Careers resume matcher. Now we have a really awesome client named Chloe. She's a career coach and she helps people find their ideal jobs, move up in the workforce, and she also helps companies recruit on the enterprise level. So she's really crushing it. She has a huge following, and we wanted to build her something that could be a gigantic value add for all of her career coaching clients out there. Here's what we come up with: a resume matcher that matches you to top jobs that are recently posted. We built this with Bolt New. Secret hack: the best way to do this is to ask ChatGPT and Claude to create the prompt for Bolt New. Bolt New is basically like an AI IDE, so what you're able to do is build out these really awesome web pages with just some prompts like give me a futuristic web page that collects email address, information, so and so, and you can get these really great MVPs to show to clients, and then from there perfect them as you want. Here's how it works. Let me just actually run it and then I'll talk you through all of the aspects of this resume matcher. So what this is from the front end, we built out a form collection. You can say the type of role that you want. You can say the location. Let's just say New York. You're able to upload your resume, and the cool thing about this is that it only accepts the certain document types, PDFs, docs, what have you. You can even suggest the type of companies that you want. You can share your experience level, but it's able to parse all of this from your resume. Let's say I want unlimited PTO. Bam. All right, so there you go. Resume submitted successfully. Career coach Chloe will be reviewing your applications. So this is all a front end that we were able to spin up in a couple days. What's going on here is that on the back end, this takes information immediately as the data arrives. Let's just see here in the history. All right, so it's running right now. I'll show you the output first, and then I'll show you everything that kind of goes into making this work. So this is the output. Hey, Coltrane, you're receiving access to a spreadsheet containing your relevant job matches, and bang. These are the most relevant jobs that I'm getting a rating for. I'm getting the company, I'm also getting the URL to these LinkedIn jobs. And the thing is, in this scraper, we're able to scrape 10 jobs, but this only shows the relevant ones. So these are the top 3 that meet my expertise and background. Here are some other roles like Associate Director of Growth, which is a really great fit for my experience. Here's my resume, so you might be able to see how it's relevant. Website founder, growth marketing manager, growing a domain. So all of these things: marketing funnel design, paid media, quite a fit there. There's some synergy. This digital marketing manager for the website, advertising and analytics, another really great fit with my background. And then this is the email that gets sent out to people receiving their top job results. Hi, I've curated a list of job opportunities, and this is in Chloe's tone and style. As an added bonus, here's an overview of your resume and where you rank in the current job market. So Coltrane is a dynamic digital marketing professional with a strong foundation in growth marketing and digital ads, bachelor's degree in economics from UCSD, and a proven track record of scaling digital platforms. Yeah, so this is all pretty spot on. It shows where I am in the job market. And then remember how I said I wanted PTO? Additionally, seeking roles that offer unlimited PTO that could align with his personal preferences and work-life goals. And then it also gives tips too. Should focus on expanding his leadership skills and exploring opportunities in purpose-driven organizations. Okay, so purpose-driven organizations, that's why we got this role, which is cool. Now to take you behind the hood of how this automation actually works. As you might have remembered, when I clicked submit there, it said resume submitted successfully. And what happens is that we set it to send the information and PDF to a webhook. This webhook triggers automatically, so this could run 100 times. You don't need to reset it or anything. It'll just run on autopilot. Webhook sends the PDF to PDFco, which is connected via API. From there, we're able to get a reading of the resume, and then from there we're able to take the resume, all of the information that a user specifies, and create an output that shows exactly where the user stands. It's outputted in JSON format, and then that JSON format is parsed and fed into Apify. This is a scraper that can look at the newest LinkedIn jobs in a specific field. So it was able to search New York, it was able to input the experience level based on my resume, it was able to input the contract type, full-time, part-time, what have you, as well as the jobs, the type of work, and so on. This next module is able to pull all that information that the first scraper did. We aggregate all all of that into an array. So we take all of the jobs, their individual bundles, we put them all together, and we put them into a text aggregator. Then we feed that into Google Gemini, which has the largest context window out of all the large language models right now. This is able to read through all of the job listings and say, okay, which ones are relevant to this resume? And of course, this must take up a huge amount of tokens, which is why we're using Google Gemini. And then from there, we're able to submit the top 5 relevant jobs. Now, most of the time I've been seeing 5. Sometimes I've been seeing fewer just because not all of the jobs are a great fit. And then from there, we're able to get that outputted in JSON format. Again, that JSON is parsed and then fed into a Google Sheets template. So that's why we're able to get this nice look right here with the headings. These dashes are just so we have the formatting complete, because otherwise all of it would just be in this format, which didn't look great. From there, we're able to get a Google Drive share link, and this is important because some people don't have Gmail accounts. Even if they use an iCloud account or a Yahoo account, they're able to get a link from Google saying you've been granted access to this document. Now we have a router here which first takes all of the job listings that are relevant and then populates them into a Google Sheet, and it adds them into rows. So here we have all of the information that is being added there. And then second, it sends an email, which is the email that I received here saying, here are my top jobs. It also sends us to Chloe AI, which is the next project that I wanted to spotlight that I built for Chloe. And what this does is it's a custom GPT that helps her clients to get resume feedback in real time. It can help them to prepare for interviews. It can help them to figure out where they want to go in their career. And really, it takes all of the information that she would provide to clients on a case-by-case basis, all of the specific knowledge that she has, and even her philosophy and speaking style, and it outputs that as a GPT. So she was spending a lot of time answering client questions, which was super important. But now she has a custom GPT that helps to nurture them through the process. And not only that, the fact is that Career Coach Chloe can guide them through a sort of funnel, bringing random prospects and people that know of her on Instagram into prospective clients because it nurtures them through her signature process. So you can try uploading your resume for feedback. You can use voice dictation to describe your situation. You can ask job search questions. So let's say, I want a marketing job in Brooklyn, please help. So it's able to search the web. It's able to give affirmation. It's a great choice. Here's a vibrant business scene. It's able to give tips, and then it's able to suggest questions. Additionally, it's also saying for personalized guidance, consider reaching out to Chloe directly, which is good. Let's say, how do I reach out to Chloe? And there you go. You can speak with Chloe herself. It provides a number, it provides an email. And this is a great way to nurture leads into actual clients by, of course, scaling your impact, and then the people that really benefit from it will reach out to you directly. You can also upload your resume like this. Say, give me the feedback. Chloe AI is able to review your resume. It's able to highlight strengths, and then it's able to call out weaknesses as well. This was the first project we worked on for Chloe, and it went over extremely well. She launched it to her audience, and it positioned her as an AI expert that's able to help people and scale her impact through these means for free also. That's a huge value add to businesses. And we're able to keep answers concise. We're able to make the output very dialed into Chloe's tone and style. This is another way that we help clients through custom GPTs, and that's a great way to get started working with us. We also built out some AI Instagram auto DMs. We did outreach. Of course, that's a whole other video. I think this presents some great use cases, especially with the front end resume matcher. We've done other things as well, like chatbots, for instance, on Netify. So here's another one that we're building for a other client, a friendly real estate expert. What would you like to know about common mistakes to avoid when buying a home? It's able to connect to an AI API, so it's able to help and reach out in a tone and style and provide a lot of support. So I think this is what the future of lead magnets is going to be. It's going to be tools that actually help people to reach a desired outcome, but then along the way prompt them to get help from an expert if they need that kind of help. This is how we lead people to FinCast through this custom chatbot. I know this video was a bit scattered, but I just wanted to give you a quick update on the kinds of things we've been working on. We've been building really bespoke and exciting solutions for our clients, and we'd love to work with you if you're interested in building something cool to dazzle your future customers and to make your business even better and thrive in the age of AI. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.